Hi, 4th and 5th grade artists. So I love seeing all of your ingredient lists and your instructions for your recipes. So now it's time to actually draw out our recipes and make works of art. So I'm going to show you, going to remind you what I did last week, and then I'm going to show you a quick example of some different drawings that we can do. Okay, so just to remind you, last week we wrote our ingredient lists and the instructions. I have a few different ones. This was my recipe for happiness, which has things that aren't food related, like my family, friends, art, good books, sushi, and my dog. And then this is an actual recipe for my rainbow salad. I thought that would be interesting to include. So I just included my ingredients and some simple instructions. If you did not do your ingredient list yet, that's okay. Just quickly write down a list before you start your drawing. And then here's an example of one of my final drawings for my recipe for happiness. There's many different ways that you can do this. You can include words like I did. You don't have to include words. You can do this however you want. I decided to draw a big bowl and include words and kind of little drawings and everything kind of going into the bowl. So now I'm going to show you a quick example of how to draw a different recipe. I'm going to be drawing this rainbow one for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you a quick example of how to draw this rainbow salad recipe. So I have my ingredient list. I'm going to start, this recipe actually does call for a big bowl for everything to be mixed in. So I'm going to draw my big salad bowl. Remember, you can do whatever you want. It can be a plate, doesn't have to be on that. Get creative. First ingredient is lettuce. I think I want to do a similar thing like my last one with all the ingredients kind of falling into the bowl. So let's see, to draw some lettuce, it's going to kind of be like a leaf. And cherry tomatoes, those are easy ones. And I can color all these in. I'm gonna choose to actually label mine. You don't have to if you don't want to, okay? So lettuce, cherry tomatoes, let's see what else. Ooh, orange peppers. How do I draw peppers? So it's cut up. That was the instructions, were to cut up the peppers. So I'm gonna draw some cut up peppers, what I think they would look like, kind of falling into the bowl. Okay, and then you would color this all in if you wanted to, or if you didn't want to, you don't have to. So let's see, I want to show you a final product. All right, so I just wanted to show you my finished product. Maybe after I'll go in and color in the bowl and make like a table, but yeah, I have my lettuce, I have my croutons, orange peppers, blueberries, and cherry tomatoes. Blueberries might taste a little weird, but that's okay. You can use whatever you want. So I hope that all of you have fun doing this. You can even include the instructions in your drawing if you want. Okay, remember this is how you want it to be. All right, everybody, I'm so excited to see your recipes and the art that you make out of them. Have fun and stay safe. I miss all of you. All right, bye.